Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Ram 3500 with the Cummins diesel high output motor. Taking a quick walk around of this frankly gigantic truck to get to the window sticker. $83,245 is the sticker price of this one. As stated above, this is the 6.6 liter Cummins inline 6, producing 420 or so horsepower and 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. Lots of storage here. You have a bunch of ratios and a bunch of really kind of neat, like a cheat sheet, sort of kind of. This can move fore and aft, and then you have a max fill line, so you know, hey, don't fill past that. Doubt you can see it, but on this little separator is the lineup from the first Ram, a bunch of old generations. That's a really, really neat little Easter egg. Sunroof, I'll leave that one open. You also have a RAM charger, wireless charger. Pretty cool idea. Pretty cool. Also, the blind spot mirrors are power adjustable. It's the first time I've ever seen that. I just push this button to switch between the two mirrors. Oh, also, I don't think it's aftermarket. You have a backup beeper. That's pretty cool. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and go for a drive. So this is the Mac Daddy Ram. I think there still is a trim level or two higher than this, but this is the big boy. 3500 dual rear wheel. And the 1,000 foot-pound of torque, which is frankly insanity. And in the perfect spec for it, this can tow, wait for it, 35,000 pounds. For perspective, a fully loaded 53-foot semi-trailer is 45,000 pounds. That's frankly absurd. This is, I believe, the highest towing capacity of the trucks. Whoa. It's just crazy how quick this truck is. You know, you just feel it in your chest, the amount of torque this thing has. Visibility's phenomenal. Especially for a big truck like this, I expected it to be a lot bigger of a problem than it actually is. All the switch gear in here is super nice. You also have Harman Kardon audio, which sounds phenomenal. It's just crazy to me how much power they can make out of a 6-cylinder. It's crazy. The camera probably won't pick up how powerful this thing feels. Oh, this is the highest torque number vehicle I've ever driven, and it's quick. It pushes you in your chest. Handling's not bad at all for a big truck like this. You also have your gear limiter. Which acts as a manual mode. Also, if you were going down a hill, you could decrease the gears in order to get the full exhaust braking. Everything in here just feels so high quality, it's not even funny. I mean, this is like a luxury truck. Just, there's so much available torque. And in case you guys can't see the screen, the range to empty, 720 miles. That is crazy. Brakes are phenomenal too, especially for stopping something of this magnitude. I'll give us some distance so I can experiment with the power once again. Wow. That is sensational. Just the amount of torque behind this thing. It's funny because you feel the turbo start spooling up and you start to prepare for the power behind this. Wow. This is crazy. One last one for the camera, then I'll cut it off. Wow. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.